Honey Harvest 2025 is about ready to finish up here by bottling. First jar from the honey's home, or the bee's home to our home. 70 pounds, 6 gallons. Great year. Yeah, it's thick. Got the bees cleaning up the last of the honey before I hose it out. Let them get as much as they can. It helps them stay established through the winter with as much honey as they can get. So, from them to us, from us back to them. So, probably power wash all this stuff tomorrow. Honey Harvest 2025, we have 42 jars. About 6 gallons of honey right here. Took a year to get here and a year to eat it, hopefully. Good color. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yep. That's the honey. I mean, that's our coffee honey jar.